define it properly with the rules. So whenever even like if we get the understanding of concept, but if we did not define in terms of it rules, then we can enter at any time. We can enter at like wrong timing as well. So
Exactly.
you structurize that in a way so that like traders can understand and they can build like they can play around that system. So they can use that system on any pairs, on any pairs. So even if have experience, even if any other market, we
Yeah.
can use this concept.
Yes. So, like you have said, I simplified it right in my playbook, in my ebook.
Yeah. Really simplified.
Yes, yes, yes. And it is direct, specific things we are to look for. Not,
Correct,
yes,
correct, correct.
we're not beating around the bush, jumping here and there, this, that. We are looking for specific criterias in the playbook, in
Yes,
my playbook. Stacy's
yes.
playbook, you need a lot of time to understand it. It took me 8 years to break it down to what I want to see. And now I am
Mm-hmm.
putting this out there for traders who needs help. They need to see the market in a different way from what Stacy is seeing. This is, it is Stacy's pattern, but more
Yes,
we are more technical in it. Okay,
yes,
we are being very technical. We are trying to be very careful. Okay,
yes. Right, right.
I have defined the 3 day setups of three types, right? 3 days of
Yeah.
breakout are of three types, and now that is becoming very clear to you. It's
Yes,
becoming very, very solid. So,
yes.
if you like I tell people, if you want the information, go into the inner circle. You need to sacrifice whatever it is to get that information.
Yes, right.
Sacrifice and go in by yourself and learn. Now you've made the returns on your investment will be very large.
Yeah,
If
right.
you purchase my playbook or my mentorship and you do not have the positive um, returns, okay, of your knowledge, okay, then there's a problem.
Right,
But
right.
as long as you are with me for 1 month or 2 months constantly, you will begin to see these patterns.
Correct,
As
correct.
long as you are with me, you will make money.
Yes, right.
As long as you are in my mentorship or membership, which is lifetime, because like I said, someone said, why don't I make it a monthly sub? I make money in trading, so why should I make it monthly sub? It's a lifetime opportunity. You are there for
Correct.
life in the membership for life. This is not monthly blah blah blah. No, I don't do that. It is
Yes.
lifetime, and it's very cheap for such knowledge. Very, very cheap. There are people out there that would tell you $1,000. Yeah,
Yeah. Yes.
yeah,
Obviously,
yeah. So I'm just
people
trying.
are
I'm just
charging
trying to
many.
help. Just trying to help everyone.
Yes, right. Yeah, so many trading gurus are there. They are charging too high,
Yeah.
like $1,000, $2,000.
Yes. But you now you paid what? 150, right?
Yes, 150
For one
only.
month, and
Yes.
you are seeing the difference gradually.
Yeah,
And
yeah. I'm seeing the picture actually. I'm seeing the like the how the trades are forming, what we need to look. I need to work on the execution
okay,
because it will take some time
okay, good.
to build the confidence. Also, like risk management on all those
Okay,
things. I
okay,
need to work.
okay, perfect.
But I'm still like making some kind of progress.
Okay,
So with the setups now, I'm sure like this is something like which I can rely on and
okay,
which like lifelong I can follow this model and I can like gradually make some money from
okay,
this model.
perfect. And
Yes.
Paragon has already started making money. Uh,
Yes, yeah, he is good. Yeah,
and
he's
he
making.
moved he moved $10 to 300, bro.
Oh my god.
10 to 3, bro.
If we calculate in terms of returns, then it's huge.
He's always hunting. He sees the setup before even I do. He comes and tells me,
Yeah, yeah,
"Sir,
yes, yes,
look at this. Sir, look at this. Look at this." And I tell him, "Okay, follow this one. Follow that one. Follow that one."
yes, yes, yes.
Yes. There are so many. I've traded life before, and everybody were in profit. Everybody was in profit. So many times I've come to trade life. Not always. Most times the market would deal with me, but not 100%. Okay, 90% of the time I'm in profit. 10% I'm in a small loss.
Yeah, it's market like
Yeah.
even if you follow our rules,
Yes.
but
Yes.
still it can like go against us. So
Exactly.
it's like, we can understand it. It's
Yes.
but you are doing that on live, so that's a that's a big thing. No,
Yes.
nobody can do live and like teach their students like taking the trades, right? So after like they can tell us like when the chart is forms
uh,
already the picture, then they can show us like yeah, this is day one, day two, day three, and yeah, we can take this setup like this. But before forming it, so it's I don't think so. To do this.
okay, gold breaks through opening range low. Those who bought gold, congratulations.
Yes,
Yes.
it will go
Yeah.
high.
We are in profit. Um, I gave that signal out free.
Mm.
And now it's time to close all my trades. I'm closing AUD card, AUD USD, Euro Swiss franc, GP Swiss franc, NZD card, NZD USD, and gold, all in one bulk operations, and close all profitable positions.
Okay. So, just for curiosity, like uh, from yesterday, like you have like you did not close your trades, right? So
Yes, yes.
you
I didn't
hold it
close.
next.
I didn't close the AUD USD and NZD USD. As we entered, yesterday you were live. You watched. You were there
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes,
when
yes, I
we
saw it.
when we sold from here after the market reversed back inside.
Yeah, I took NZDUSD
Okay,
from your signal.
and you saw how I swinged the USD JPY, like everybody
Yes,
swinging
yes,
it.
yes,
Okay. Now, do you know what gave me the confidence?
yes, yes,
Muscle memory. I've seen it. I've seen it hundreds of times.
yes, right.
I've always seen it. It has always been there, repeating itself over and over again.
Yeah. Oh, right. So are you closing now all the trades which
Yeah,
are open?
yes, yes. All the trades from AUD USD, AUD card, I've clicked bulk operations and I've closed them. Plus gold,
Okay.
plus my gold trade. I also bought gold. I bought gold. I've closed. The only trade that we have a loss on is the CHFJPY.
CHFJPY.
Yes,
I
so
I got
we exit. Yes, I was in profit, but I couldn't add size, so exit. Yeah, we entered from up
So I
here.
guess how you are so used to that you you like did not mark your chart on daily basis, right?
Oh,
Means it's a
I, I,
day to
I mark my charts every close.
okay, okay,
Yeah, every close.
okay. So you have like fixed set of pairs and
Yes,
you
I
on
follow.
daily basis
Yeah, yeah, I
you're
follow.
marking that.
I follow. I hunt. Remember, Stacy says, "What are you hunting? Which setup are
Yes.
you hunting?" So I'm always looking for 3 day setups. 3 day setups. I'm always round the market. I'm going round. I'm searching. I'm looking for 3 days of breakout. I'm looking for 3 days of shots. I'm hunting. I'm hunting. I'm hunting. I'm going round. I'm going round. I'm going here. I'm going there. I'm marking up. I'm marking day one, day two, day three. I'm marking up the inside day template. Everything you have learned. That is what I'm doing over and over again.
Okay. So you are marking it and then
Yes, I
you're
mark. I mark and
reading shortlisting few
yes,
pairs as well, right? For
yes,
next day.
yes. I will mark and wait for the market to break out. Give me the criteria first before you see me enter. Yes. If the criteria is not met, you won't see me there. Just like GBPUSD. What did I tell the guys
Yeah.
in what did you hear me say in the group about this pair?
Yeah, you said like it's
Irrelevant.
invalid. Yeah,
Is irrelevant. Irrelevant. Everybody,
irrelevant, right?
everybody leave GBPUSD and look elsewhere. Yes, irrelevant. What is here? Nothing. Bullshit. There's no criteria met. Did you see me here? But I had it marked up. Okay? I had it marked up for a fresh red day.
And so there is miss. I have one kind of doubt. Means I'm still learning that concept
Okay?
of like this 100 tip box or 50 tip box.
Do
So
not bother your
those
do not
things
do not
means
bother your
I'm still trying to understand.
do not bother yourself about the 100 pick box yet. Master the
Mhm.
templates. Okay? Master the template then before you start looking at 100 pick boxes.
Okay, okay,
First, the templates.
okay,
The setups first, the templates, how the setups looks like. Then we start looking at those hundreds and fifties and 25s. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay, okay.
it's a gradual process. First of all, now today you are seeing templates, right? Okay?
Yes, yes, yeah. I
Yes.
started seeing those templates.
Gradually we will now move. We've looked at balanced market, out of balance and
Well,
balance, right? Gradually we now go into 100 pip boxes and how to calculate them. Okay?
okay, so that was the that is the last step, right?
Look at the NZD USD. We're in a 100 pip box. Okay? Three levels of rise.
Mhm.
Okay? In a setup. 3-day setup. Remember, in the mentorship ebook, it has to be in a setup.
Okay.
So we are
Yes.
reading and applying. You read, you check for the facts on charts. You read, you apply. You have the knowledge of opening range. You have the knowledge of
Yes.
3 days of breakout, 3-day setups. You have the knowledge
Yes.
of everything. Now, what you should do is rely on that mentorship version of the ebook. Make it, make it your sweetheart. Make it part of you. Always visit it because there's no doubt in it. There's no doubt in the setup. It will come again. Your job is to work on your hindsight, your muscle memory.
Yes.
Hindsight pays. Stacy has always said this. Hindsight what? Pays. Muscle memory. There is no doubt. You only have doubts when your hindsight is not solid, when your muscle memory is zero.
Yes.
Build your muscle memory. Keep repeating the pattern. They are in the ebook. They will come again. Next week you will be presented with that same pattern. Okay?
Yes. This Bible I have finished it properly
Read it
during the
again.
mentorship.
Read it again.
Yeah. Okay.
Over
Okay.
and over
Okay.
again. Whenever you see a pattern, open to 3-day setup. Go to 3-day zero template. Go and look at it. Look at it. How does it look like? What is the opening range doing? What are the rules? Even Al Brooks still goes back to the ebook. Go back to the ebook. The moment you go to your chart, remember what Gakuna says. Go to the ebook. Open up. Go to the rules. Go to the rules of opening ranges too. Remember the rules of opening ranges in the mentorship version. Okay?
Yeah.
Go there, look
Right.
at what is the market doing? How can I apply this? Okay? Look at gold.
Right.
The rules are met. Where is your take profit?
4 hour PA near 4 hour EMA, right?
Good.
And if it breaks, then
It keeps
then I
going.
think nobody can stop it.
Exactly. So we are following our what? Rules.
Yes. Right.
Our rules. We want to make sure that we follow the rules. If the market goes against our rules, we exit.
Correct.
Euro Swiss franc. we exit. Okay? So the rules will guide us. May the rules go with us. Okay? Okay?
Right.
May the rules look at NZDUSD. Who believed that the signal I gave from London all the way through will keep holding till now?
Yeah. In the opening break low.
Yeah. So what are the rules? What did that every week has a template.
Correct.
Most templates builds up from previous week into the new week.
Correct.
Then another template starts building up again. From one template to another template. From one template to another template. It is human behavior. And because of human behavior, they will repeat themselves over and over again. Now, this comes to the end of the YouTube version. The guys on YouTube, this is a brief video on how we go about this. May the markets go with you guys. Do well to like and share this video. The link,
Yes.
the link to the mentorship, the membership, the indicators is all in description. May God bless you. See you on the next one. Thank you.